welcome to the video session. Today we are going to learn about the spell check, how to check the spelling and grammar using the Thesaurus. So let's start the session. Sometimes you might have observed red, green, blue wavy lines under the few words in your document. This is done by the Microsoft Office program to help you to spot the grammar and spell error easily. Word has an inbuilt dictionary and set of grammatical rules to check the spellings and the grammar of any text document. You might have observed this so many times when you type any text, it will be giving you the wavy lines under the sentence, under the words. So immediately what you'll be doing, you'll be just using your right click, the mouse right click, and then you'll be using the grammar check, right? It is possible. This is the first method of correction. Then the red wavy lines. Red wavy lines, any word signifies the incorrectly spelled word. To correct the spelling error, right click on the incorrectly spelled word. A list of suggested corrections will be appear. Select the option which meets your requirement. You will observe that the incorrect spelling is replaced by the selected option. As shown in the following figure, just check it. Green wavy line, a font, under the font line it is given. Okay, now let's talk about this. A green wavy line under the word sentence indicates the grammatical error. To rectify this green error, right click on the mistake to find suggested correction. Next is a blue wavy line. This is under the word, refers to the contextual spelling error. This error occurs when a correctly spelled word is used mistakenly for another word. For example, if you write "Dear Mr. George" in the beginning of the letter, then blue wavy line appears under the word "dear." Okay, as it is a contextual error. Although the spellings is correct, but the usage of the word is improper at this place. The word dear should be used in place of dear. Okay, this is the first correction of method 1. Next, correction method 2. Spelling and grammar tool. The next one is correction method 2. Before that, a quick view. The shortcut view to activate the spelling and grammar tool is F7. Students, please remember and make a note of it. Okay. The next fact. Spelling and grammar utility depends on the current language being used. Okay. In some languages, this feature does not work. To be on the safer side, you should have always used English United States rather than English of India. Okay. Correction method 2. How to correct your sentence by using the second method. To check the spelling and grammar error in the document by using the spelling grammar tool, follow the given steps. Okay. Open a document that needs to be checked. Click on the Review tab and Spelling and Grammar option in the Proofing group. The Spelling Grammar dialog box appears and the first suggested correction is highlighted. Select the suggested correction and change the button. Then click the Spelling and Grammar. Click OK on the Spelling and Grammar. Next, observe very carefully what is happening there. Click on OK. Then what happens here? Yes, you can correct the incorrect sentences. Okay, quick view. The shortcut key to open a Microsoft Word is Windows key plus R key. That means Windows key and R key combination. Okay. Then the run button appears. Type in WinWord and press enter key. Using Thesaurus. The Thesaurus is a built-in dictionary that enables you to look up the synonyms and antonyms, word substitutes and alternative spellings. This feature increases your writing ability and vocabulary. Okay, and let us know how to use the Thesaurus feature. Just observe, students. See how the alternate words are given here. Let us learn how to use the thesaurus feature. Select the word whose synonym and antonyms you want to search. Go to the review. Select the thesaurus in the proofing group. The research task pane appears in the extreme right side of the window, displaying the synonyms and antonyms of the selected word. Move the mouse pointer to the suitable word. Click on the drop down arrow that appears next to the word and select the insert option. Just observe on the screen, students. The selected word will be replaced with the new one. Okay? Or else what you can do is you can select the synonym by pressing the alt key and click on the word. A list of synonyms will be appeared in the research task pane. Point to the replacement word phrase. Click on the down arrow which is there at the right side. Okay, right side of the synonym, and click onto the insert and copy option from the displayed list. Okay, now let's have a tip here. You can also replace a word with its synonym by using the given steps. Just check it once again. Synonyms option, context menu, right? Fine. Suitable synonym can be displayed in the list. Okay. Then select the suitable synonyms. Fine. Displayed on the list. So let's start the next session. Before learning about the next session, I would like to just give a recap whatever you have learned here. How to check the spelling and grammar here. We have learned about two methods. The correction method one by having wavy blue lines, green lines and red lines, how to rectify we have seen, and with the help of a spelling and grammar key which is there in this proofing group, we have learned about that. And using thesaurus, how can we include the synonyms or antonyms or replace the words we have learned so far. So let's learn about the copy and paste and cut and paste, how it will be done with the help of in word processing we'll be learning now. So let's start the session. Copy and paste and cut and paste. How to copy and paste the text. Copying the text means to keep the text at the original location as well as copying it to the another location. Okay, so this feature helps to save your time and effort in the typing. Sometimes you wish to create a multiple copies of the desired text. In such cases, you can simply select the text, copy it and paste it in the multiple desired locations. Okay, there are three ways to perform this operation. The first one is select the content and observe the clipboard group. You will be finding a copy button. Bring the pointer to the desired location and click paste in the clipboard group. Okay, the pointer shifts to the position after the last character of the pasted text. The second method is select the desired text and press the Ctrl C combination. Now bring the pointer to the desired location and press Ctrl V. The copied text appears as its new location in the document. Select the text you want to copy. Now right click on it and select the copy option from the shortcut menu. Now brings the pointer to the location. Just observe, students, on the screen what is happening. Okay, where you wanted to paste, you can paste with a right click on the screen and select paste option. Now moving the text. This feature allows you to change the position of the selected text from one place to another. To move a piece of a text, use the cut option rather than copy option. Just like the copy option or copy operation, there are more than one method. First one is select the desired text and click the cut button and in the clipboard group. Brings the pointer to the desired location. Click onto the paste in the clipboard group in the home tab. The pointer shifts to the position after last character is pasted to the text. Select the desired text and press the Ctrl X key combination. Now brings the pointer to the desired location and press the Ctrl V option key combination. Right click on the selected text and select the cut option in the content menu. This is the third option. Now brings the pointer to the location where you wanted to paste the text. Okay, observe very carefully what is happening here. Right click on the screen and paste it. Okay, this is how you're going to cut, copy, paste. This cut, copy, generally you people might know about it, but still I wanted to just give a brief description about this. Therefore, I have started. So let's know how to find and replace the text. So to find and replace the text, a utility is a feature within an application software that performs a specific task with ease, such as designing, optimizing, and analyzing. The Office suite has some very useful utilities which will helps us or which we'll discuss in this chapter. Let us learn about the sequentially in step-by-step manner. While looking for certain words in the large document, it is very inconvenient to go through the entire text, isn't it? Microsoft Word has find and replace feature to automate the process of search as well as the replacement of the text. Generally, if you'll find if you'll see and like complete entire document is filled with a 1,000 lines of a code or 1,000 lines of a text is there, and if you wanted to search where the process word is available, how many times it is repeated, then the find and replace is the best feature in the word. So let's have a quick review of Control F is a shortcut key to open find and replace dialog box. Students, please make a note because you people are not having the textbook. So I want you to open your classworks or a rough book. You need to maintain one book for IT. And write down the key points and important points too. Now, how to find the text? Okay, finding the text. Writing the following paragraph. Then how to find the text? As I already told you, find and replace utility in Word preserves the case if the found text begins with a capital letter, the text replacement will begin with a capital letter. Okay, clicking on the match case, checkbox will search the text with similar case that you have typed in the find what text box. Okay, observe the screens very carefully where we are giving a demo for here. Now click on the file button in the editing group of home tab. Can you see there? Yeah, highlighted with yellow color. Right. Find and replace dialog box will appear here. Now find what box and type the text that you wanted to search in the document. Search for the keyword, concentrate, click on find next button. Now what happens? The pointer will move to the next occurrence of the word and text will get highlighted. How many times? Yeah, text will get highlighted if it is encounters. After finishing the search, Word prompts a message. Word has finished searching the document. Click on OK. Click on the More button if you wanted to widen your search. For example, if you select the Find Whole Word Only checkbox, it will match the complete word. Otherwise, it will also search those words where it finds first match letter. Example, if you have typed the in find what text, then what happens? It finds whole words only option. It will also search the word they, then, there. These are all also it will find. Three words will be found from with the starting of the. Okay, right. Now finding is done. How to replace? Now you are able to identify the importance of find feature. Okay. Now you are able to find the find feature and you are trying to replace the content which you wanted to change the content of the text of the document. Okay, for example, instead of a text, I wanted to give it as a content. Then you need to replace wherever the text is available, you need to replace with the word content. So that is possible with the replace text feature. Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words or phrases with an alternate text. To replace text, following procedure you need to follow. Now, the first is click on the replace button which is there in the editing group on home tab. Students, repeatedly I am giving the group and the tab and the button. This is very important for your objective type. Generally, they'll be asking which, like for example, replace button or a find button is there in which group and it is related to what tab. Okay. So please remember this rule. Next, the find and replace dialog box appears. In find what box, type the text that you wanted to enter, search. And replace box, you need to replace the existing text. Click on the more button to click other options if required. Click on either find next, replace or replace all button as needed. When words have finished searching for the word and made replacements, a message box appears. Click on then OK. Okay, the words will be replaced. Are you getting? Just find out where the words are replaced. Students, you need to do practicals along with me only. Type some paragraph and try to do it. Try to experiment now itself. Right, the quick view, the keyboard shortcut given below are helpful for you to move through the text of a document. Beginning of the line, I'll show it again. Beginning of the line, home. End of the line, end. Top of the document, control home. End of the document, control end. Okay. Just use these all keys for moving your cursor to the beginning, end, top and down part, right? Understood? Yeah. The next step is for you. Find next button will highlight the next occurrence of the text that it searches. Replace button changes the searched text with a new text given in the replace with a text box. Replace all buttons, all button, replace all button replaces all the text searched text with a new text at once. Cancel button is used to close the find and replace dialog box. Did you identified all here? See, these are all the points you'll be seeing here. Replace all, find next and cancel. Each and every button I have like explained you here. Okay. Cancel button completely closes the find and replace dialog box. Okay. Let's have a recap of chapter. A word processor is an application software which is capable of creating, editing, saving and printing the document. Important features of word processor are easy and speed, powerful editing and formatting, storage, graphics, printing, vocabulary, spell check, right? Mail merge, OLE object. These are all we have already discussed. Okay, there are three ways to create a blank document. Just check it, what are the ways. Tab new, if you know, please make a note down in the notes. Click on the new button or else control N. A document can be saved in three possible ways. Tap save, press control S and click on the save button in the quick access toolbar, that floppy disk one. To select a complete sentence, hold down the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. Shortcut key to perform the following operations are to copy, Control C, cut, Control X. These shortcut keys are important, students, for your objective type. Once again, just observe very carefully and learn, and it is very easy to type the content also. Cut, copy, paste. If you know these are all shortcuts, you can easily complete your task. So clipboard is a temporary storage location. Okay, it can transfer the data operations between the documents and the applications using the cut, copy, paste and the copy paste operations. Format painter tools. Okay, formatting effects will be applied on it. Character formatting focuses on the appearance of the individual character. Font is a set of characters of a specific size and the style. Okay, and MS Word provides five types of cases: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalization of each word and the toggle case. Okay, next, superscript, subscript options. Please make a note, students, if you are having a please make a note of a recap. Yeah, Word has a built-in dictionary. What is that? Just now we have discussed grammatical, spell check and grammar. Red, green, blue wavy lines, for what it is important. Like, what is this? This is an important question. Thesaurus, what is thesaurus? Is once again it is important. Okay, how to copying the text and cut the text. Okay, these are all quite interesting, quite simple also. You just go through once again. You'll be find and replace option, which automates the process of searching as well as replacing also, right? Thanks a lot for by this we could conclude our session. 5-6 sessions we have completed in this. Thank you, students.